So how do you transfer contacts from the Android to iPhone? Let's explain that. If you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you'll never miss anything important. Well, there are much better ways to do it than others, but there are more actually ways to share or, move the contacts from your Android. The best way would be to share it through the Google Contacts, like literally get the Contacts application from Google on the Play Store, obviously install it on your device, and you want to make sure that you add all of your contacts in here, right? So you click on allow when you started, right? And everything is going to be set up that way. So you have your contacts in here added with your account, right? So that would be very useful. Of course, make sure to add any of them or click on plus and just like import it or whatever. But the point is that you can then go to your iPhone, open up your settings, tap on apps at the bottom and choose contacts from the apps list. Then you'll be able to just sign in, like click on accounts and add the Google accounts for your contacts, right? So you're going to sign in with the same account that you used on your Android, and you will be able to essentially just get the contacts over the internet by signing into the very same Google account. And that way you get the job done without, manually transferring anything, right? So that would be one way of doing that. There is another method you can do it, but it requires a desktop computer. But anyways, on your Android, you need to get an application for exporting the contacts. I believe that I can also do it through my Samsung Contacts application because I have the ability to click on more, manage contacts, and I have the ability to export them, right? So I'm going to export it to my internal storage as the vCard format, and then I need to share it somehow to my computer, where on the computer I'm going to log in to iCloud.com. Go to the contacts section, and by clicking on the plus button, I have the ability to import the contacts through this file format to my iCloud contacts, which will then be wirelessly shared over the cloud to my iPhone as well. So I hope it all makes sense. It is possible to do it that way. So let me know if you managed to work it out on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.